What's going on, friends? We are here at Tindol Ford in Gastonia, North Carolina. One of our best RTR dealers doing a ready to rock night, giving rides, giving rips. Is going to be a blast. Let's get to it.
So we're still doing setup here. It's before everybody starts showing up for the big show. We do have some RTR owners that are going to be rolling in early. They are going to have a meet and greet with Vaughn ahead of everybody else. He's also going to hang out here with the Tindol group and meet all the salespeople over here. We got Rome setting everything up. You got two demo cars that are going to be running. Well, technically one demo car, and then the NATO Olive car that is going to be out here running as well.
Which it's stock for our standards, right? That's a Spec 3.
Yeah, which is wild. And we've done multiple events with that now, too.
And we've changed nothing to it. It's just how you would buy it, and he's about to beat it. So I can't wait.
When you're setting up here for a demo session, something smaller like this, not something bigger that we do where we're going through a lot of tires, like walk me through what you got over here to help you through the demo session.
Well, we burn through about, depending on asphalt, we typically burn through about a set of tires for every 15 minutes. So we got 3 sessions here, each one at 30 minutes. So this is gonna be our first 2 combined sessions. We got this, I'll do the set that's on the car, the set's here. And then typically I would like to heat soak a set of tires before we leave the shop because that'll make them last a little bit longer, but we're out here with fresh Nettos, it'll be all right. He'll do the job.
Cool. And then you just got your regular hand tools, your impacts, your jack, your fuel. What type of fuel are you running?
These are Shell Pump E85, dude.
Really?
It's from the pump. Like, it's nothing special. And then from what we were running in previous years, like you look at the data tables, like the fuel trims, everything, the car was like way happier. We were able to squeeze a little bit more power out of these things. It was, the Shell fuel was.
That's what I really like about this. So we have our demo car here, which has been tuned up to, you said what, about 1,000 now on the Whipple?
1,000 to the crank, yeah.
Yeah, which is wild. And then we have our street driven, ready to go to use Spec 3 over there, which we're going to be drifting. All of them are on NATO street tires, and we're running Shell gas that you can get from the pump, which is awesome, which shows how great these vehicles are and the setup is. So, hey, Rome, we're going to go ahead and keep walking on. We'll check you later.
All right, later.
As we walk over here, we have a whole line of RTR vehicles, which is pretty cool. I mean, all types of colors that we have over here, different trims. There's a convertible underneath the awning with us, but Tindol has one of the best stock inventories of RTR that you are going to find in the nation. We have a lot of dealers that are really close right there with them, but I mean, it's cool seeing this many cars. From the time that I started with RTR to see where we're at right now is freaking awesome.
You gotta marry that woman, bud.
We just got done with the autograph session. It was great seeing everybody come out. A lot of people that we've seen before. And now we got another session going out here on the drift pad. When I say drift pad, I mean that very loosely. This is the parking lot at Tindol Ford here in Gastonia, North Carolina. So like they set up this whole thing for us to come out here to show the fans a good time. I say this every video. I love my job. It's great meeting all these people. It makes what we do that much more special. I can't wait for the last one because I mean, we know Vaughn. He's gonna burn it down. Dude, when you got that, it looked so good. It looks so good.
It's so silly, dude. Woo!